Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic reels and shorts using AI. So imagine making reels and shorts that look like Hollywood trailers or created with AI. So today I'll guide you through the full process: writing a script, generating cinematic AI visuals, adding voice and music and editing it into a perfect reel or short. So first, you can generate the script and idea by using Gemini or ChatGPT. You can just write the prompt. So for example, I'm going to ask Gemini to write me a 20-second cinematic script about a warrior discovering a hidden world. Okay, so here is the script. So after the script is generated, you can just create the cinematic visuals. So in here, I'm going to just click on the tools and choose the nano banana to generate here epic cinematic shot, warrior standing on a cliff, glowing hidden world in the distance with ultra realistic style and dramatic lighting. But if you want to create a direct video, you can use Pika Labs or Runway Gen 2 with motion prompts. Okay, so here is the result with my prompt before. Let's download this image right here. Now you can just generate the or add animations to the image. You can use a Gemini, or you can also use Kyber, Runway, or Pika Labs. So in here, I'm going to just go use the video on Google AI Studio, for example. Here, I'm going to upload the image. Okay, now I'm going to use, so here is the movement. I'm going to animate it with slow cinematic zoom in, dramatic camera pan, and film style movement. So run the prompt here. And after you got the video, you can generate a narration with 11 Labs or Gemini AI voice and just add cinematic background music. You can find a YouTube free library or Epidemic Sound. And you can edit the clip using CapCut, Premiere, or DaVinci yourself. Just import the clip, sync with the voice and music, and then you can just add a black bars or a letterbox for cinematic feel. And don't forget to also use color grading filters such as teal and orange or moody tones. And if you want to make it in a format of short, you can export in 9:16 vertical with 1080p resolution and keep the video under 30 seconds for best retention. Okay, so here is the result for my image before, as you guys can see in here. You can just download it and add it on the editor app, video editor app, and make it in a short format. So that's how you can create cinematic AI reels and short step by step. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.